Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session today we will learn extracting components with keys in ReactJS. This is an components we are extracting with the keys, what are the values and what are the ID values on list items or performing a particular action. See, simply I will give you a brief description for using a correct way of the key usage. Keys only make sense in the context of surrounding array. For example, if you extract a list items component, you should keep the key on the list item, that element in the array, rather than the li, that component element list item itself. You have to pull it completely. See here, for that we need to simply write a function to handle correct way. The function list item of props with the function here simple return, see, li terminator of li in between the code of props dot value and terminate the line here. That's it. And we have to mention a simple list item key here, function number list const numbers implies, see here, instead of item, that key equal to number dot toString, and the stop here we need to write value that equal to number, and the terminator of this. List item, let me check. That a list item, that here tag is mistake. That's it. Okay, everything you have to check out. Well, if you are getting any error, something we have given some space or less than or braces, we have missed it. Like we have to practice line by line code, then we will be habituated to write a code simple way, and it will be prints in our mind strongly. See how we have used a correct usage of the keys. Simply, that's it. Extracting the components with the keys. Complete component what we require, we can use it by using this simple function. Okay, I would like to tell you things. Keys must be unique among the siblings. Even if many of the list items may using different list items may have the same key, if it's occurs the errors and all the things. For that the purpose you have to be maintain unique key. What are the key you are generating for it, that should be unique to identify the better and to perform the action successfully with the accurate. I hope you better understand this video session. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views for growth of the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.